Hey there. What up? Here are 6 signs of high intelligence that might surprise you. Science is always updating our understanding of how the human mind works. Modern research has found that certain conceptions we have about intelligence may actually be wrong. Here are 6 surprising signs you might be above average in intelligence. 1. Forgetfulness. Forget what you've heard. Having a perfect memory is not all it's cracked up to be. According to a study published in 2017, forgetfulness may be a sign of high intelligence. The study, which examined the neurobiology of remembering and forgetting, found that people who tend to forget mundane details such as people's names or the whereabouts of their car keys have a more fluid and efficient memory for storing important info and discarding what is trivial or unuseful. Their brains were found to be better at overriding old memories with new information and were wired more to pick up on broader patterns and associations, while only holding on to details that are relevant for optimal decision-making. 2. Daydreaming. The next time someone chastises you for having your head in the clouds, you can take it as a compliment. A study conducted at the Georgia Institute of Technology concluded that people who daydream have more efficient brains. A research team measured the brain patterns of over 100 people as they focused on a fixed point and then tested their intellect and creativity. The participants who said they daydream frequently scored higher on the intellectual and creative tests and had more efficient brain systems. It is reasoned that excess mental capacity makes the brain so efficient that it can't help but wander and check out from the present. 3. Laziness. Research from the Florida Gulf Coast University suggests that smarter people tend to be more lazy. The study tested participants with a questionnaire that distinguished them as either a thinker or non-thinker. Over the next several days, the activity levels of each participant were tracked with a wrist device. Results showed that the thinking group was significantly less active than the non-thinkers. It is believed that smarter people get bored less easily because they can preoccupy themselves with mental activity, whereas non-cerebral people seek external stimulation in physical activity. 4. Swearing. If you are known to curse up a storm, then you're probably smarter than average. Researchers at the University of Rochester tested 1,000 people and found a link between high IQ and the use of curse words. Rather than being a sign of a limited vocabulary, researchers found that swearing proficiency was a sign of rhetorical strength. Studies also showed that highly intelligent people were more likely to eat spicy breakfasts and walk around the house naked. 5. Sarcasm. Are you a wiseacre? Well, congratulations, because researchers found a correlation between snark and smart. Not only is sarcasm a sign of wit, but it also carries benefits for both givers and recipients of it. Sarcasm involves an extra layer of thinking that is creative, and people who do it well are rightly clever. Research at Harvard and Columbia universities have found that sarcasm can also enhance abstraction and creativity in the person on the receiving end of it. So now you can rest assured that your ironic remarks are a gift to the world. 6. Disorganization. It might sound counterintuitive, but research shows that disorganized people might be smarter than their orderly peers. A study by the University of Minnesota suggests that the messy desk of geniuses is actually linked to their intelligence. If you don't spend much time cleaning and organizing everything around you, your mind is obviously occupied with more important stuff. The lack of organization relates to the non-linear thought process of creative people and their lack of focus on the details of their everyday environment. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Until next time. Ta-ta. Love you. Bye.